To allow Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra to download dynamic lock screen wallpaper using mobile data, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Tap change wallpapers. Scroll down the screen. Under Wallpaper Services section, tap Dynamic Lock Screen Thumbnail. Scroll down the screen. And then tap the gray on-off switch next to download using mobile data until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By enabling this option, your phone will be allowed to download image packs for the dynamic lock screen wallpaper over Wi-Fi network and mobile data connection. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.